Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change Discord server name and profile picture. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So here we are, as you can see currently on Discord. Now to change your server name, what you're going to want to do is come over your server list on the left hand side and select the server that you want to change your name for. Now once you've done that, you'll be taken into the server, and what you want to do from here is come up to the top left-hand corner and click onto the server name to bring up this drop-down menu. You want to come down and click onto server settings. And when you come into here, you should see your server name at the top. So all you want to do is click into this box and change the name of server to whichever name you want. Change this to. Now once you've done, next to change your profile picture, you just have to click on this icon, and then you have to choose your image. I want to add this. Simply click on. Now, to those changes, make sure to click the Save Changes pop-up at the bottom of page, just down here. So you want to click the green Save Changes button. And what that's going to do is change your server name and profile picture. So you can just come out the settings. As you can see, now our server name has been changed. So that's basically how you can change Discord server name and profile picture. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.